Hi everyone, welcome back to Social Studies. We are going to be continuing on with Week 5, Patriotism and National Symbols. So today we're going to be talking about two different symbols in America. One is the American flag and the other one is the Pledge of Allegiance. So let's go ahead and look at the American flag first. Does this look like the flag that we normally look at and we normally have in our classrooms or maybe outside of our homes? No, it doesn't look exactly the same. It's a little different, but it is still pretty similar. This was our original American flag that was created by a woman named Betsy Ross. She made the first design for the American flag. So let's go ahead and read a little bit about this. One of the patriotic symbols of our country is the flag. In 1777, the Continental Congress passed an act giving our nation a new flag. They said, "Resolved that the flag of the United States be 13 stripes, alternate red and white." That means every other red and white. That the Union be 13 stars, white in a blue field, representing a new constellation. Think about what that might mean. What does it mean that a constellation? Do we know what a constellation is? A constellation is what we look in the sky at night when we see a group of stars together. That could be considered a constellation. So what our founding fathers are saying here is that white and a blue field representing the new constellation, representing our new nation. The stars are white in our flag. That means that each star on our flag is a symbol of each state in our country. 13 stripes represent the original 13 colonies. So let's think about our flag today. How is it similar and how is it different? Pause the video if you need to take a second to think about it. What is different about our flag today and what is the same about our flag? So our flag today, if you said they are the same because they still have 13 stripes, that would be correct. There are 13 stripes on our flag today. You can go ahead and try to count them if you have a flag near you at home. And then what about our stars? Do we still have 13 stars on our flag? No, we don't. How many stars do we have on our flag now? If you said 50, you would be correct. And what do those 50 stars represent? Each star represents one state in our United States of America. We have 50 states in America and we have 50 stars on our flag. That is a lot of stars. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Pledge of Allegiance now. So we talked about in our vocabulary video, a pledge means what? Can you remember? A pledge means a promise. And what does allegiance mean? Allegiance means loyal. So when we say our Pledge of Allegiance, we are making a promise to be loyal to the United States. That means we are going to defend the United States and we are going to have their back if something were to happen where they needed to be defended. So I'm going to go ahead and read this short paragraph here. The Pledge of Allegiance was written by Francis Bellamy. A pledge is a promise. Allegiance means to be loyal. When we say Pledge of Allegiance, we are promising to be loyal to our country. If you take a look at this picture over here, the man in the black and white image, that is Francis Bellamy. He is, again, our author of our Pledge of Allegiance. And then our group of children, what does it look like they are doing? They have their hand over their heart. They're looking up at the flag. They're being very respectful of the flag. Any guesses on what they're doing? They are most likely saying the Pledge of Allegiance. Very good if you said that. All right, so we're going to go through a couple more videos to help us understand the American flag and the Pledge of Allegiance. One of those videos can be found on this page where it says Watch Video. Another video could be found here, again where it says Watch Video. I will also put those in our assignment list for Schoology. It's going to seem like there's quite a few videos today for our social studies lesson, but please do not become overwhelmed with that. They are only a minute to 2 minutes for each of those videos, so even though it looks like there's a lot, they're very short videos, so it will go pretty quick when you're going through those. When you are done with your readings and done watching your videos, you are going to be asked to complete this page here, American flag. You're going to get to color a little bit, and you will also get to see how well you know the words of the Pledge of Allegiance. So this can be done on paper, or it can be done right on your iPad in Notability. You can change your colors by hitting our pencil and then changing my colors here. And then I just follow my color coding here. So number 1 is going to be red. Whoops, I'm going to want to change my size here. So 1 will be red, and I can go through and color in the rest of my flag. And then I'm going to see if I can remember the words for the Pledge of Allegiance. If you can't remember them all the way, that's okay. I'm also going to attach a picture in your assignment list that has the words of the Pledge of Allegiance. All right, so lots to do for social studies today. If you have any questions, please let us know. Have a great day.